We had a typical pregnancy, and it was during delivery where they lost Wyatt's heartbeat. And so we had to have an emergency C-section, and during that time, Wyatt went without oxygen for about 17 minutes. And so we had already secured child care before going into the hospital, but after that we knew that we couldn't keep with that original plan. And it was the nurse navigator that had recommended the Arc. Because Wyatt went without oxygen for so long, it affected all of his abilities. And so he needed nursing care. And the Arc is a unique place in a sense where they provide not only child care, but the nursing component of it, which is almost unheard of. We started Wyatt with the Arc at 2.5 months, and Wyatt is now 5. And so it just seemed like each week a new medical issue presented itself, and the nursing staff afforded us the opportunity to ask all kinds of questions and to hold our hands when procedures came up that we didn't want to take him through because we were afraid of losing him again. I would have to say the Arc was that lone beacon of light during a really dark period of time in our lives.
Because when we first left the hospital, the doctors were talking about everything, or they tried to talk about everything Wyatt couldn't do. And so, you know, Wyatt's father had to let him know, look, you know, your medical science said he should be dead, but he's alive, so we're going to start with what he can do. And so when Robin talked with Sharon, it was really about her telling stories of children who had come to the center and their doctors never said they would walk, and they're walking. And so to be that close to miracle workers is a real privilege. I consider myself lucky, fortunate, and blessed to be a member of the Arc family. Absolutely.
Even if you're aware that you're about to give birth to a special needs child, it changes your reality significantly. For us, it shredded our reality because whatever we had before had to be completely different because of the health care of our child, and we had to now kind of build back a life around our new scenario. And because we were starting, I like to say, behind the 8 ball, or getting crushed by the 8 ball because we didn't have an opportunity to prepare for this, the Arc allowed us some space to step back and breathe. We had childcare, which is an absolute necessity to be able to work, to have health care, to pay for the numerous medical appointments that we were going to have to take our child to, the numerous medical procedures that he was going to have in the years to come. And so we were provided that opportunity to work, to be able to get that basic right.